Hello, dear. Happy Tuesday.
Hi.
Hello. Happy
Hello.
Happy Tuesday. Do you know the song? Happy Tuesday, all day long.
Oh, no, no.
Cô này quả răng
Oh,
đều chứ.
okay. Oh, by the way, we have a new friend
What
here.
is your friend?
We
Oh,
have, do you know who she is?
no, the dog have
Yes,
the clip hair.
yes. Her name is, can you see it?
Daisy dog.
Yes, okay. This is for you.
Thanks.
This is for you. Oh, what is that?
Juice.
Oh, what kind of fruit? Fruit juice? Is that
Yes,
sweet?
it have um
Ôi hỏng nhã.
Is
it have it have mango shape.
and what else?
Mm,
Mango and watermelon or
no, not watermelon. That is what is that?
peach or cherry or strawberry or dragon fruit?
That is beetroot. Beetroot.
Oh,
Beetroot.
wow. Yes.
And have and have um and then and have and have
What else did you put on it?
and have um
Sugar?
that is butter.
Butter.
Oh,
Butter.
wow.
It have beetroot, butter and mangoes.
Wow. How about sugar? Did you put sugar on it?
Yes. I like mangoes.
Wow, that's delicious. Delicious and healthy. Okay. Very good, my dear. You eat healthy food. Okay. Teacher is happy that you are healthy. Okay, so we will have our new lesson. New lesson. New lesson.
Ooh.
Lesson 49. Okay. Oh, a lot of questions. What's the title of our lesson, my dear? Okay, you eat first.
Other question.
Okay.
Unit 49. Ask me other question.
Okay, so we will
Ask
have
you. Ask you.
ask me and I will also ask you. Okay, this is fun. Okay, so we have this picture and we have one example. Okay, I will be Miss Page and you will be Sam. Okay, first example. This
What
what?
this? What this?
Okay, very good. Number
Don't know.
two.
Sorry, I don't know.
Very good. How about number three?
Can you say that again, please?
Very good. Okay, it's a helicopter. Can you say it again, please? Okay, next. It's a helicopter. Number 4.
Thank you. How do you spell helicopter? Helicopter.
Yes. So how do you spell helicopter?
You spell.
Oh, teacher will spell. Okay, I will say the first letter and you will say the next letter. H,
E,
L,
I,
C,
O,
P,
P, T, E, R.
R. Okay, thank you.
HELICOPTER.
Yes, very good. Okay, next. Oh, we have a picture here. And you have to find 20 things in the picture.
I see a star. I see a fish. I see a boat. I see a sea. I see a beach. I see a helicopter. I see a dolphin. I see colorful backpack. A
Yes.
backpack.
What else?
I see a mouth. I see a box. I see the castle. I see a girl. I see a mom. I see a boy.
How about this one?
I see a picture. I see a window. I see a clock.
How about this
I
one?
see a t-shirt. I see a picture.
A map.
A map.
How
I see a glasses. I see a classics.
How about this one?
I don't know.
A fish bowl.
A fish bowl.
With fish on it. Okay, what else? Okay, you mentioned, how about this one? On the table.
A water.
Yes. How about this one?
A pen and a pencil.
Yes, very good. Now you find the 20 things in the picture. Okay, let's go here. Oh. Okay.
What, teacher? If you show me again the word, 20 words in here.
Okay, let's go back. Okay.
Bags, book, bottle, boy, clock, coat, cupboard, dolphin, door, dress, string, fan, fish, floor, girl, glasses, helicopter, map, mouse, numbers, pen, pencil, picture, rainbow, shoes, socks, sweater, table, wall, water, woman.
Okay,
1, 2,
very
3,
good.
4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33.
You find the 20 things in
30.
the picture. 30.
43.
You found
43.
more. You found more. Instead of 20, you found
Boat, book, bottle, boy, clock, coat, cupboard, dolphin, door, dress, string, fan, fish, floor, girls, glasses, helicopter, map, mouse, numbers, pen, pencil, picture, rainbow, shoes, socks, sweater, table, water, woman.
Very good. You found many things in the picture. By the way, my dear, can you say this again? Here.
Cupboard.
Okay. But we don't say the P. We don't say the P. Instead, we say cupboard. Cupboard. Okay,
Cupboard.
again.
Cupboard.
Yes. Okay. We don't say the P. Okay. Cupboard. Very good. Good job.
Cupboard.
No, we don't say cup. We say cupboard.
Cupboard.
Yes. Good job. Very good. Now let's go here.
Cupboard.
Okay. Yes, it's where we keep our glasses, our cups, our plates. Okay, cupboard. Now you have to talk about the picture. Okay, for example, oh, I will not give the example. Okay, can you differentiate the two girls? For example, my dear, the girl here has yellow hair, but the woman here has black hair. Okay, your turn. Okay.
The girl hair is very long.
Yes.
But the girl is very short.
Yes.
Two.
What else?
The woman is not half. The girl is half the clip hair, but the woman is not half the clip hair.
Okay, you can
Number
say.
3.
Okay, again, my dear, the woman has no clip hair or hair clip. Again,
Hair
please.
clip.
Again, please. The girl has hair clip, but the woman has no hair clip. Okay, can you say that again?
The girl is not. The girl is half a hair clip, but but the woman hasn't no hair clip.
Okay. What else? What else can you say about the pictures? Here, the shoes. How about their shoes?
The girl is half shoes, but the woman is wearing I don't know.
Okay, black shoes. You can say the girl is wearing white shoes while the woman wears black high heels.
High heel.
Okay.
High heel.
Can you say it again, my dear? The girl
is wearing white shoes. While the woman wears black high heels.
Okay, can you say it fast? Okay, maybe say it fast.
The girl is wearing white shoes while the woman wears black high heels.
Okay, good job. Very good. Another one. What else? What else can you say about the picture?
The woman has glasses.
Yes.
Glasses.
Okay. Again, the woman wears
the glasses, but the girl is not
wearing
glasses.
Okay.
Wearing glasses.
Very good. How about their shirt? What can you say about their shirt?
I don't know.
Okay, the little girl, the girl wears green.
The girl is wearing
What?
I
Green,
don't
green shirt. While
hurt.
the woman
Shirt.
is
The girl is wearing green shirt while the woman is wearing
floral blouse.
Flora,
Floral with flowers. Flowers everywhere.
flower blouse.
Blouse. Okay. Again, please, my dear. The girl is wearing
Green shirt while the woman is wearing flowers.
floral.
Flora bowl.
Okay. Floral blouse. Again, let's say this one. Here, I will share our screen. Here we go. Let's say it again. Floral blouse.
Floral blouse. Floral blouse.
Did you hear it? Okay.
Yes. Floral
Can you say it again?
Floral
Floral
blouse.
blouse. Floral blouse.
Floral blouse.
Very good. Okay.
Wow.
Floral
I have
means
this.
there are flowers. Do
I
you
have this. I have this in here.
where? You have floral blouse also? You have
Yeah.
a blouse with many flowers everywhere.
Yes,
Okay,
it
that's
has
cute.
the heart in here.
Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. Another one. What else can you see in the picture? On one side, there is again, what is this? Do you remember, my dear? On one side,
On one
side, there is
one
a fish
there
bowl.
is fish bowl.
But on the other side, is there a fish bowl or none? But on the other side, there is none. Okay, my dear? How about this one? The little boy. On one side,
there is a fish bowl, but on the other side there is one.
none.
On one side, none.
Okay, none. It means there is no fish bowl on the other side. Okay?
On one side there is a fish bowl. Oh, there is a boy, but on the other side there is none.
Very good. Good job. Congratulations. Clap, 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 clap. Very good, my dear. Okay, another one. Last one. What can you say about the picture? On one side, how about this one? Here. On one side, there is, what is this?
there is
Or there are,
on one side there all have a boat, but what is the sentence said in here? What is the sentence said in here?
where?
Here. What the sentences in here?
Okay, teacher will, okay, let's put sentence here. On one side,
On one side,
there are books.
all books, but there are but on the other side
There
is none.
very good. There is none. Okay, no
Wait.
books.
On one side there are half a mouth, but on the other side there is none.
Okay, very good. But on the other side, there is none. There is no mouse. Okay. And another one last description. How about this one? Here. How about this, my dear?
No. What?
Here. What can you say about this bag? On one side.
On one side. What is the sentence?
Okay.
On one
Do you know
side.
what it means when we say on one side? Okay, let's.
On one side there is
Okay, before.
there
Okay, my
is
dear. Wait,
a
please. Okay. Okay, on one side.
on one side there is
Yes.
half there ở một bên có
There is a red bag.
red bag, but on the side
On the other side.
on the other side there is none.
Okay. But there is a white bag under the feet of the woman, right? There is
But
a
on
white.
the other side there is a white bag.
Again, my dear, please. Let's read again.
On one side there is a red bag, but on the other side there is a white bag.
Okay, so in Vietnamese.
Một bên là túi màu đỏ, còn bên kia là túi màu trắng.
Okay, is that right? Okay. Now you know how to say on one side, but on the other side. Okay, good job. Very good, my dear. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Oh, another one. Can you help,
This
teacher?
wall has a window, but that wall hasn't got a window.
Okay. One side has a window, but here it hasn't got a window. What else? Okay, my dear, what else?
This wall is white, but that wall is gray.
Oh, no. Yes, white and gray. Another one. Okay, my dear.
There's a clock on this wall, but there's a map on that wall.
Okay, clock here. Here's the clock, and here's the map on the other wall. Okay,
In
and
Philippines, is sunny or rained?
what else?
On Philippines, is sun or rain? Or
Oh,
sunny?
say it again. Teacher, In the
Teacher.
Philippines. Okay, I will
In the
type this.
Philippines.
Okay.
No, not.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay.
Will I type it or not? Should I type
Type.
it? Okay. You can say teacher.
Teacher.
In the Philippines, is it raining or not?
Sunny. Or sunny.
Or sunny. Okay. Can you say that again, my dear?
Teacher, in the Philippines, is it rainy or sunny?
It's raining. It's raining here right now.
Why?
But tomorrow it will be sunny. How about in your place? How about in Vietnam? Is it raining right now or sunny?
Sunny.
Wow, that's beautiful weather. Okay. Very good, my dear. Okay, and I think we have here the last one, please. There are
pictures on this wall, but there are no picture on that wall.
Yes, there are picture here, but on the other side there is no picture. Okay, so let's play this game. Okay, my dear, let's play this game. Okay. Do you remember where is the coat? Do you remember? Here, let's go back here. The coat is here.
It's Sam.
Okay. So, example, the coat is next.
The goat is next to the windows.
Okay, good job. Now let's go to the fan is.
This and any time.
Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's answer this one. The fan. Where is the fan?
The fan is
Here.
Is between
the
map and the picture dolphin. The dolphin picture.
Okay, let's see.
The fan is below the clock.
Yes. Okay, let's see if the fan is below the clock. Yes, here the clock is above, but the fan is below. Okay. Oh, my dear, do you know how to say the time in the clock? What time is it? Here, the clock here. What time is it?
20. 12.
Okay. Okay, it's 1 o'clock. Okay, the clock, the white clock says the time is 1 o'clock. Okay, my dear, good job. And we learned tonight about the phrase on one side and on the other side. Okay, good job.
On the side and
On the other side. Okay, good job, my dear Lanfon. This is for you.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay, my dear, thank you for tonight and enjoy your night. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye.